Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this live stream is going to focus on 3-digit by 3-digit multiplication. 473 times 185 is our first example problem. I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So we are going to start out by multiplying the digits in the ones place. We are going to start out by multiplying 3 times 5. 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 equals 15. Because our product is more than 10, we have to regroup. So the 5 and 15 is going to go in the ones place. The 1 and 15 gets carried over to the tens place. Next, we multiply 7 times 5, and then we have to add the one that we carried over. 7 times 5 equals 35, plus 1 is 36. Again, we got to regroup because our product is more than 10. So the 6 and 36 goes in the tens place. The 3 and 36 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 4 times 5 equals 20, plus 3 equals 23. So far we have multiplied 473 times 5. Next, we got to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Since we've already multiplied both digits in the ones place, we are going to put a 0 in the ones place. 3 times 8 equals 24. Again, we have to regroup because our product is more than 10. Anytime our product is more than 10, we got to regroup. So the 4 and 24 goes in the tens place. The 2 and 24 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 7 times 8 equals 56, plus 2 equals 58. Again, we got to regroup. The 8 and 58 goes in the hundreds place. The 5 and 58 gets carried over to the thousands place. 4 times 8 equals 32, plus 5 equals 37. So one more round of multiplication. Next, we got to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the hundreds place. Now, this actually ends up being pretty simple. Any number multiplied by 1 is going to stay the same. Any number multiplied by 1 just remains the number itself. So 3 times 1 equals 3. Now, we do not need to regroup because our product is less than 10. 7 times 1 equals 7. Oh, let me check myself right quick. Before we multiply the last round of numbers, we need to put a 0 in the ones place and a 0 in the tens place, since both the numbers in the ones and tens place have already been multiplied. That's why you take your time, because if you rush, you can forget steps. So now, we're going to multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the hundreds place. 3 times 1 equals 3. 7 times 1 equals 7. 4 times 1 equals 4. And now to get our final answer, we have to add these 3 numbers together. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 6 plus 4 plus 0 equals 10. 0 carry the 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Plus 8 equals 12. Plus 3 equals 15. 5 carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Plus 7 equals 10. Plus 7 equals 17. 7 carry the 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Plus 4 equals 8. And we have our final answer. 473 times 185 equals 87,505. All right, moving on to example problem number 2. Example problem number 2, we have 684 times 234. So we're going to start in the ones place. Shout out to the person that hit the like button. I appreciate you. Starting in the ones place, 4 times 8 equals 32. 2, carry the 3. 8 times 8 equals 64, plus 3 equals 67. 7, carry the 6. 6 times 8 equals 48, plus 6 equals 54. So far, we have multiplied 684 times 8. Now, because we've already multiplied both numbers in the ones place, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. Next, we multiply the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. So 4 times 3 equals 12, 2 carry the 1. 8 times 3 equals 24, plus 1 is 25, 5 carry the 2. 6 times 3 equals 18, plus 2 equals 20. All right, now we have to put a 0 in the ones place and a 0 in the tens place. And we're multiplying the top 3 digits times the bottom digit in the hundreds place. 4 times 2 equals 8. We do not need to regroup since our product is less than 10. 8 times 2 equals 16. 6 carry the 1. 6 times 2 equals 12, plus 1 equals 13. Now to get our final answer, we have to add these 3 numbers together. 2 plus 0 plus 0 equals 2. 7 plus 2 plus 0 equals 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9, plus 8 equals 17. 7 carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Plus 0 equals 6. Plus 6 equals 12. 2 carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Plus 3 equals 6. And 0 plus 1 equals 1. And we have our final answer. $684 times 238 equals 162,792. Shout out to everybody tuning in and everybody in the chat. I appreciate you. I am glad you're here. All right, stay tuned for what will probably be the final problem of the live stream. All right, 417 times 299. So starting in the ones place, 7 times 9 equals 63. 3 carry the 6. 1 times 9 equals 9, plus 6 equals 15. 5 carry the 1. You know what? Let me restart that. I'm looking at the chat a little too much, and that's what happens when you get distracted. I was looking at the comments. Do I play? Yes, I play. I love sports. I play basketball. I compete in powerlifting. I compete in Olympic weightlifting. But there's a time and a place for everything. Right now, the time and the place is for math. There's plenty of videos of me having fun playing. That's not this live stream though. Go to my playlist on go to my extra practice opportunities playlist. You'll see videos of me back squatting and bench pressing and deadlifting and turning my workouts into word problems, all right? I do play a little bit. Just now's not the time to play. Let me focus on this right here. All right. 417 times 299. 7 times 9 equals 63. 3 carry the 6. 1 times 9 equals 9, plus 6 equals 15. 5 carry the 1. 4 times 9 equals 36, plus 1 equals 37. All right, putting a 0 in the ones place since both digits in the ones place have been multiplied.